Hi, I'm Father Kevin O'Brien, and I want to welcome you to Santa Clara University's Open House. I speak to you today not only in my role as president, but also as a Jesuit priest, to acknowledge that these times are just really hard. Your school year is no doubt different and not what you hope for, no matter if you are a high school junior or senior or a student attending another college. Moreover, our country and our campus are addressing calls for greater racial justice. Know that we at Santa Clara are committed to anti-racism and making our community a welcoming, safe, and inclusive place for all. I wish we could be together on campus and you could visit and get to know our community in person. But there are still many ways to engage us virtually. And both today and in the weeks ahead, I invite you to learn about the educational opportunities and community here at Santa Clara. Get to know our exceptional faculty and staff who will be your teachers and mentors, and the group of talented students who will be your friends and classmates. Get to know the strength of our Santa Clara family that has rallied and persevered together as we move to virtual learning, supporting each other, advising each other, caring for each other. Know that you will become part of our community that cares, something that we call in our Jesuit tradition, cura personalis, which means caring for each person in their uniqueness, in mind, body, and spirit. Our Santa Clara spirit is grounded in our 169-year Jesuit Catholic tradition of education, which prioritizes academic excellence, educating for justice, caring for one another, and exploring questions of faith and meaning. In this spirit, we are meeting the challenges of the ongoing pandemic head-on to offer our students engaging and dynamic instruction in a variety of learning modes, while being faithful to our age-old tradition that seeks to transform students who will then help transform the world. If you had a chance to visit us in the past, you know we have one of the most beautiful campuses around. And we are in the midst of one of the most innovative regions in the world, Silicon Valley. Many of our students were able to participate in virtual internships and research in the midst of the pandemic, which is a testament to our deep roots in Silicon Valley and around the world. An amazing location, small classes, personal attention, challenging courses, a culture of service and innovation with a mission. These are just a few of the reasons Santa Clara is ranked 53rd among all national universities in the latest U.S. News and World Report. We are also excited for the Sobrato Campus for Discovery and Innovation, a state-of-the-art facility in the midst of our campus that will bring a transformative STEM education soon to open for us all. I invite you to connect virtually with Santa Clara, take advantage of our online resources, meet with our admissions counselors who are here to help you, and join us on Bronco Exchange to have one-on-one conversations with our online community of students, faculty, and staff across all areas at Santa Clara. I hope you learn how Santa Clara could be the place for you, and I hope you will apply to be part of our Bronco family. So enjoy your experience at our open house and go Broncos.